Good morning! Welcome to Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay.
Yes!
Today, let us talk about teaching our children to make right choices in life.
Yun.
Bilang mga magulang po, we need to empower our children to make the right decisions in life. Parte po yan ng pagre-release natin sa kanila. Kailangan tulungan natin sila to develop proper decision-making skills and to come up with thoughtful decisions that align with their values and goals in life.
Tama, Claire. And by doing that, we are simply empowering our kids.
Yes.
Alam po ninyo, we need to clearly communicate our family values and explain to them potential consequences of their choices. Halimbawa, halin ng mga family values, syempre, nandyan yung ating hard work, yung honesty, and of course, yung faith in God. Importante na young as they are, ma-inculcate na natin o maituro na natin sa kanila yung importance ng family values.
Naniniwala din po ako na para maturuan natin ng mga anak natin to make right choices, makita muna sa atin.
Exactly.
We have to be good role models to our children. Makita nila na tayo mismo marunong mag-decide base sa ating mga values sa buhay. I think that is one way of empowering our children by being good role model ourselves.
Tama, Claire, no? Isa pa, turuan natin yung ating mga anak ng mga simple problem solving.
Yes.
Hindi sila yung tipo na totally dependent sa
At
atin,
laging
di ba?
ikaw ang nagsosolve para sa kanila.
That's right. Tulungan natin silang pag-aralan yung mga possible consequences na pinipili nilang mga desisyon. Halimbawa, anak, kapag iyan ginawa mo, these are the possible
Yes.
consequences that you will soon suffer.
Yes.
So dapat aware sila doon.
And honey, huwag din matakot ang mga kaagapay na makita ang mga anak natin na nagkamali o nadapa.
Exactly.
Kasi that is how they will learn. They will learn from their mistakes. And that is how you will teach them to own their own mistakes, di ba?
Tama.
Doon din po natin sila matuturuan na maging resilient, na maging
Yes.
persevering. Kaya naman hayaan po natin na maranasan nila ang failure dahil because of failure, mag-a-arise po sila to become victorious.
Tama, honey, minsan kasi sa mga magulang, we are shielding them too much, di ba? To the point na minsan, hindi na nakakapag-decide o hindi na natin hinahayaan matuto yung ating mga anak.
Kaya naman po, let us journey with our children towards maturity and independence.
Lagi po nating tandaan na ang mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Napagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy buhay!